I remember the very first lie that I believed that happened in first grade. And I remember going up on the board. And I don't remember what I was doing, but all I remember is I turned to go back to my seat. And as I did, I heard this thought in my head say, Ketric, you're dumb. Kids were laughing, things were happening, and I heard, Ketric, you're dumb. But it began to play again. You're dumb, you're dumb, you're dumb, you're dumb. Until eventually it began to take root. I began to believe it. I began to think that I'm not as smart as the other kids. And I remember over and over and over saying, I'm dumb, I'm dumb, I'm dumb. And what's really crazy about that is that right now I could close my eyes and I could go right back to first grade in my mind. And here's what I've learned. My past is only my past if it's not affecting my current present. And so I want you to know that all of us are going to believe lies, but I want you to understand that not every lie that hits you in your mind is yours. And I also want you to know that not every lie that hits you in your mind has an expiration date. You can continue to believe this lie as long as you'll let it. It won't let its way out. You have to choose to say, I'm done with this lie. How many of you guys love The Lion King? Anyone? That's pretty good. If you haven't seen it yet, plug your ears because I'm about to do a spoiler alert. Simba's father dies. I told you to plug your ears. And then there's a moment where Simba goes to Scar. He was going to someone to tell him the truth. He was going to someone to tell him what he needed to hear. And Scar looks at him and he says, run. And he runs far away and he finds himself isolated by himself. And then all of a sudden, Rafiki shows up. Simba, your father is not dead. He's alive. No, my father's dead. No, Simba, he lives in you. And then the song plays. I'm not going to sing it because you just heard what came out of my mouth. But I want to read you the words to this song. It says, wait, there is no mountain too great. Hear the words and have faith, have faith. He lives in you. He lives in me. He watches over everything we see, into the water, into the truth. In his reflection, he lives in you. Regardless of what he had gotten himself into or how far he had gone, that even though that all had happened and was true, that there was still a king in him. No lie, no shame could keep him from being king. Nothing could keep him from stepping into his destiny. There are truths out there for you to find. There are truths out there for you to take a hold of that you are still yet to see. Yes, there is a past you and there is a present you, but there is a future you that you're yet to meet. Over 50 years ago in Bangkok, Thailand, there was this massive statue in the middle of the city. It's not this one, but people would throw food on it. They would put stuff all over it and they would smoke on it. They would do all the things. And at one point they were going to move the statue to clean it. And as they were moving it, it cracked. And as it cracked, they took it back to clean it and they realized that underneath the concrete was one of the most largest sculpted pieces of gold that's ever been found. And I say that to you because what I want you to know is that there's gold in you. Whatever's been covered up, however it's happened, whatever's gone on, whatever it looks like, I want you to know that there's still gold in you. It's in there, and you need to mine for it. You need to find it. You need to grab a hold of it because it's not that you're lacking it. It's just you got to figure out where it is. And I want you to know that yes, maybe words have covered things up, things that people have said, but words may have power, but they're not as powerful as you. You are batteries included. And sometimes I think the reason why the battle's been so hard is because there's a massive future for some of you. And sometimes it can be hard and sometimes it can be tough, but I'm telling you, you're gonna have to replace the lies with truth and you're gonna have to bust through the fear. So, young kings and queens, live free, have fun, and go do it afraid. Thank you.